Hi, I am doing 3 videos on reusable feminine pads. And the first one will be patterns/fabric for pads. And with that said, let's get started on that. Okay, so from my research, I have made the patterns out of notebook paper, which is reusable, easily cut through, good for pinning to the fabric, and you can recreate it at little cost. So that's why I use that. And with that, let's look at the outside. This will be the outside of the pattern. It will be 9.5 inches long, and the wing part will be 7.5 inches wide, and top and bottom areas will be 3.25 inches wide. And you will round the edges of all 4 of these, and I'll explain that later. For the inner layers, which there will be 2, which I'll explain later, you also round the edges on this, and the length, it will be 8.5, and the width will be 2 3/4. And the pattern here is made of notebook paper for the same reasons that I explained earlier. And with that, let's, in laying out the pattern, I've put it as close together as to save and use as little as fabric for conserving cost-wise. So you can lay out your patterns to use, like I said, use as little fabric as possible when you're doing this. With that said, let's get to the fabric part of it. I used, in my research, it said to use 100% cotton flannel for the reasons of absorbency, softness, and it's not slippery, so it'll stick in place better on the panty line. And with that, there is 2 inner layers, as I explained, with this pattern, that we will have 2 inner layers. The first layer will be 100% cotton terry cloth, which is very absorbent, so that explains itself. And the second layer is, this is cotton sheeting material not cotton, this is crib sheeting material to stop, like over a mattress. It's like a mattress pad material. And as you can see, it's like I don't know if you can see it real well, but it's like a rubberized side to it, so it stops moisture going through. And with that said, we will start the next video on sewing of pads. Thank you.